Hi class, let's talk about APA style and formatting your first paper. This is the website given on Canvas for the official website for APA style. It's called OWL at Purdue, which means Online Writing Lab at Purdue. And you can use this website for your entire educational experience because most institutions refer to it. It's one of those ones that are reliable. And you can also use this website if you are required to do a paper in MLA style. For this class, we're using APA. So, as you can see here at the general format menu, it says that in APA we use 1-inch margins, a 12-point font in Times New Roman. Now, if you would like to, I would also accept Arial, which is basically just standard Arial, not the larger sized Arial. Arial in size 12 font, or Calibri, which tends to be Microsoft Word's default font. It's called Calibri. So I'll take Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman in size 12, 1-inch margins, and as you can see here, it says double space on standard size paper. Okay, so you would set up your document, either a Word doc or another doc that's turned into a PDF file. You need a header. We call it a running head at the top of every page, and then a header for every other page. Okay, and it talks about that here and even shows you a sample title page. Okay, now what the header would look like on the other pages, page 2 and on, you can see here where it says page 2. You no longer have the words running head like you do here. You just have the title itself. Now, you do not need an abstract, so do not assume that you need one. I'm interested in this title page, the header, the spacing, which is double space, the 1-inch margins, the font size being 12, and the 3 different fonts I talked about, okay? That's what I want you to focus on. So this is your reference, Online Writing Lab at Purdue. Now, what I'm going to show you next is a sample APA paper. Now, this might look really confusing just because there's a lot here, but in more sophisticated and heavy research for when you get into, let's say, your graduate program, you might have an author's note, but no, you don't need one for the papers we write in our class. You'll just have this information as well as your running head and the title on the other pages. No abstract for this one, as I already said, but here's what a paper would look like, and you can see there's a number of pages here, and you see page 4, you have the title here. You can see it's all in caps. All of these little boxes are giving you information on APA style. So how did I find this? I looked under the menu here on the general page under APA sample paper. Okay, that's how I found this page. Okay. Now here's another helpful point. You can find generators for APA title pages, and I'll send another video about that in a minute.